Hi, my name is Mustafa Gasmov. Today we are looking to linear equations. It can be say it is the first topic of SAT course and from section of parts of algebra, let's say. Okay, for linear equation we have form of ax plus b is equal to 0. So if we can tell exponent of x is equal to 1. When exponent of x is equal to 1, we call this one linear equation. When it is not equal to 1, for example, if it is equal to 2 or 1 over 2 negative number or etc., we call this one not linear equation. Let's give an example about that. For example, y is equal to, let's write as equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This one is quadratic equation, that is not linear. Or we can give example like ax square root of ax, for example, it's not also linear. 1 over x, it's not also linear equation. Why we call this one linear equation? Because when we draw equation of when we take this equation as a function and when we draw it, it will be just a line. For this ones, it will be not line. Now let's look a and let's look a meaning of a, b, and x in more detail. What's their name? For a which is close to x, we call this one coefficient. For b without any variable, we call constant. We call x variable. Variable means that it depends on value of constant and coefficients. Now let's look how to solve linear equation. For example, let's say we have let's take this example. 10x plus 7 is equal to 15. So for solving this equation, we have to isolate x in one side. That's why we have to put 7 in second side. We will get 10x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 over 10, so it is 0.8. Or now let's look 10x plus 7 is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus 4. For this one, first we have to open bracket. 2x plus 4 is equal to 10x plus 7. Then we have to put x in one side and constant in second side. 8x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 over 8. So answer is 3 over 8. So as you can see, for both equation we have only one solution. Now let's look a little bit different one. For example, sometimes there can be no solution and infinite number of solutions for linear equation. Infinite. For example, let's take 2x plus 4, this example. 2x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 5. Then we have to do same thing we did in previous example. We have to put 2x in second side. V is negative, so it will be 2x minus 2x, and here we will get 5 minus 4. Then we will get 0 is equal to 1, but we know 0 is not equal to 1, so when we get 0 equal to a non-zero number, there is no solution. Because whatever we put instead of x, we cannot make 0 equal to 1. Or simply we can say when coefficient of x are equal to each other, are same, and constants are different, then there will be no solution. Let's take another example. 2x plus 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus let's say just wait a minute. 2 multiplied by 2x plus 2 minus 2x. We have to simple this side first. We have to make it simpler. 4x plus 2 minus 2x and 2x plus 2. After that you have to look this coefficient. Coefficients are equal to each other, but constants are differ from each other. That's why there is no solution for this example. But on the other hand, we may have infinite number of solutions. For infinite number of solutions, basically we have two identical equations, but maybe it's written in different form. For example, let's take this one, 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4, they are same. Whatever you put in instead of x, you will get same number. That's why all real values are the answer for x. Or they can write it in different form. For example, 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus 2. When you make this one, when you open bracket, you will get same equation with first one. So it also has infinite number of solutions. They can write it like this. So you have to calculate second side. If it is same with first one, it is infinite number of solution. And last thing I want to say is that instead of infinite number of solution, you can see all real numbers. It's also same. More than 2 sometimes use it. Are synonyms of infinite number of solution.